Hello everyone, I'm Nadine, owner of NG Platinum Homes, and you may recognize Sherry with Terravista Interior Design Group, and we are here for our final video post-construction. We finished all of our work here, so we're going to show everybody what we did and talk a little bit about all the finishings, you know, and everything. So in this video, I just want to briefly say the three biggest impacts, or three things that I feel like were the biggest impact in this project. The first one is obviously this fireplace was an amazing transformation. And I think shortening the hearth here made a big impact. The client's gonna have much bigger space to walk and put all of her furnishings. I mean, just the tile in general came out beautifully, and I love it.
Yeah, it's one of my favorites.
Yes.
It's one of my favorites.
And then the other thing that I wanted to mention as far as quite a big impact is the wallpaper in the dining room. We had a couple of what to do, not to do it on the ceiling, you know, do it on the ceiling, and we kind of came up with just paint the whole ceiling and then wallpaper the walls. It's a beautiful wallpaper, grass cloth, and I think it's absolutely amazing. And then third is going to be the office. That was a big transformation as well. So we're going to actually move into there so we can see what's happening. So here we are in her office, and I really love how this turned out as well. We changed the crown molding on these cabinets, gave her new updated doors. We actually gave her a whole new cabinet here at the bottom where she does a lot of art and painting, and she really liked the idea of doing all drawers on the bottom so she can have a lot of storage, and she followed up with that now that she's using it. Yes. Told me it's great because she has so much storage for all of her art supplies, and of course painted the walls, which really made it really light and bright in here, and your lovely light fixture, which is absolutely beautiful in here. So I'm very happy with the way this office turned out. I think it's amazing.
Yes, thank you. Like you kind of said very well, little changes make a big difference.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
And the beautiful hardware, I think that was great. I think the hardware color combination with the hardware and the paint looks amazing. So there we have it. Stay tuned for more from other projects.